Hello guys. Today our 9th lecture of WordPress. Today we see how to manage user in a WordPress. Every user has their own role in WordPress. Roles are like permissions given to a particular user to access the WordPress site. These roles can be allotted only by the admin. For adding user in website, click on Users, then Add New. Enter the username. Enter the email address. Enter the first name. Enter the last name. Enter user's website. Here click Show Password. Here enters password again. Here select the particular role from the list: tutor, instructor, subscriber, contributor, author, editor, or administrator. Here we select administrator. The administrator has all the rights. An admin can do anything and everything on the WordPress site. Administrator has right from adding new posts, deleting existing posts, and adding new pages and deleting existing pages. The administrator can change the current appearance and look of the site, and can add user also. Click on Add New User button to add user. Here you see new user added as administrator. Now we can also log in as administrator by entering username and password of that admin. So here we log out. Here you can also log in by entering another administrator, username and password. Here you see you log in as admin. You can access all things in WordPress as administrator user role. Now we see editor role in WordPress. Here enter details like admin. And here selects editor. The editor has access to all the posts, pages, comments, categories, tags, and links. They can create, publish, edit or delete any posts or pages, but they have not access to appearance, plugins, adding user and setting. Click on Add New User. Log into editor account. Here you see editor can access only this section. You can create and edit posts and pages, and you can also manage media, and also have access to manage comments. Now we see author role in WordPress. Here enter details. Here selects author. The author can only write posts, upload pictures, edit, and publish their own posts. They cannot edit other posts. Click on Add New User button. Log into author account. Here you can create by click on Add New button and edit your own posts, but cannot edit other posts. Now we see contributor role in WordPress. Here enter details. Here selects contributor. Contributor can create their own posts and pages, but cannot publish them. They cannot upload images or files. When they want to publish any post, they usually send their post to the administrator for review. The admin publishes their post after review. Click on Add New User button. Here, log in. Here creates post. Click on Publish. Here is button for Submit for review. Click on it. This post was sent to admin. Admin approve this post, then the post publishes on website. Log into admin panel. Here you see post is pending. When I admin click on edit, then review and publish. The post was published on website after approval. Now we see subscriber role in WordPress. Here enter details. Here selects subscriber. Subscribers are those who subscribe to your site and can log in and read all public posts. Click on Add New User button. Log into subscriber account. Here you see subscribers see only post and can edit their own profile. You can edit user. For edit user, drag mouse click on edit. Here you can edit user details. Here you can change role. Click on update user. Here the user updated. You can also delete user. Here drags mouse. Click on delete. Click on confirm deletion. The user has been deleted. If you have learned how to manage user, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.